This is the complete walkthrough of PrepareBuddy's Evaluation Studio, using a real graduate-level case study on pollution in Delhi, from building the rubric, to references and RAG, to batch evaluation, consistency checks, and the teacher dashboard. Everything starts on one dashboard, built around a simple 3-step flow. It creates a rubric, add feedbacks, and run evaluations. At a glance, you see how many rubrics you have, how many evaluations have run, and who your top-performing teacher is, because PrepareBuddy evaluates how students are doing within each teacher, not just individually. From here, we will walk the entire flow, starting with a new rubric. Step 1. Create the standard your institution will grade against. This is the rubrics dashboard, with every rubric already created. For a new one, you have 3 paths: the manual builder, where you define every criterion and detail yourself, uploading an image of an existing rubric, or letting AI draft it. We will use AI. We describe the assignment, a graduate-level case study on pollution in Delhi, and ask for a 100-point rubric with excellent, good, satisfactory, and weak performance levels. We list the 8 factors we want considered, from historical analysis to policy recommendations. Seconds later, the AI has generated the full graduate-level rubric, 100 points, exactly as instructed, with a clear description of what is being evaluated. Every criterion is spelled out: historical analysis of Delhi's pollution problem, evidence use, policy recommendations, each with point bands, like 13.5 to 15 points for an excellent answer. And nothing is locked. Quick edit and you can change any criterion, adjust the scoring, rewrite the definitions, or add custom instructions and distinction guide. Here is the finished rubric page, the full marking scheme, who created it and when. Now, the feature that sets the grading quality: references, powered by RAG, retrieval augmented generation. You attach real examples to the rubric, here an excellent one, and explain why you consider it excellent, the level, the context, the reasoning, save it, and it becomes a reference the AI grade against. This rubric already has 2 references attached, one excellent example and one poor one. You can open each, review the feedback, regenerate the index. Step 2. Run the evaluation, from one submission to a whole cohort. Now we create a batch. First the basics, select our graduate level Delhi pollution rubric and choose the AI model, then evaluation focus. If you want extra attention on grammar or critical thinking, you say so here. You can add a problem statement when the assessment has one. Next, a powerful option, enable AI decisions, and the system records the chain of thought behind every score, so you can go back later and see exactly why a mark was given. Then RAG configuration, where the AI picks the most relevant references on its own, summaries or full references, and the maximum number to use. You can align the whole. Here is a live batch with 6 student evaluations already loaded. Adding number 7 takes seconds. Give the student a name, set the teacher context, the assessment type, a graduate level, and the perspective to grade from. Here a teacher with 6 to 10 years of experience. Then paste the student's work and add it to the batch. Student 7 appears with the full submission captured. Each evaluation carries its own settings. The rubric, the model, RAG enabled with its 2 references, and you can adjust or disable any of these per student before updating the batch. Time to evaluate all 7 students in one go. The same flow scales to hundreds of submissions, and everything here is available over APIs, so it integrates with your LNS or CMS instead of manual work. Moments later, the class picture, an average of 57, a top score of 87, a lowest of 15, plus an in-depth analysis of the whole class, with the overall strengths the cohort showed and the areas where it needs to improve. Girl into any student, our top scorer, at 87%, gets a full breakdown of what went well, measured against rigorous academic standards, comprehensive, criterion by criterion. And for the student who struggled, the system does not just hand back a low number, it explains why the score is low, what was missing, and lays out concrete steps, what should have been done, and how to do better next time. Every report downloads as PDF or Word, ready to send. Step 3. Prove the quality of every grade you release. Every batch is versioned, so you get historical trends, how scores have moved over time, what is improving for a specific student and what is not. Then the teacher side, open teacher analysis, and you see each teacher's average score, the criteria their students are evaluated on, and their overall performance dashboard. Student analytics and teacher analytics, side by side, so leaders see both sides of the classroom in one place. Finally, the proof. Rerun the same batch, and PrepareBuddy measures how close the new scores are to the original ones. With dynamic RAG enabled, this reevaluation came back 100% consistent, the same scores, twice. Because if you are going to trust AI with grading, consistency is not optional, it is the whole point. That is the complete workflow, rubric to references, batch to analytics. With consistency you can prove. PrepareBuddy, faster turnaround, clearer feedback, and evaluation your institution can stand behind. Get a demo at preparebuddy.io.